So today, I shared the key trends of the supply chain, leveraging different emerging technology. For example, AIs, IoTs, blockchains, and cloud, and also the quantum computing. So I think I'm very excited to share the key trends. I think it's a very matching for today's conference because with the IoT's the development, there's a lot of data. And the most important questions right now is how to really leverage data to create business value. So having the AIs and the AIs, and then how to actually really make it intelligence instead of just about the smart supply chain, but having intelligence to make decisions, and together with the blockchain to give you the trust and security. And in the futures, it will also go to the quantum computing, helping to even solve some challenges that we can't even foresee how to actually solve. And this is like how I feel is a very exciting moment staying in IT and supply chain industry. So this is what I shared today in the conference. So as you know, the 5G developments, the 5G architecture is developing soon. So I think first talking about the impact to IoT. I think the key impact first is about having this infrastructure in place. It will actually much lower the cost for the IoT. So it means that when the cost of the investment to using the architecture is lower, it will become more business cases actually coming in place. However, we also need to bear in mind is for the infrastructure is ready, it doesn't really mean that all the application will be ready. So imagine the age of internet at the beginning, and even the infrastructure is there, but there's many hardware is not ready. So that's also go to the IoT that you need to catch up the development, talking about having the trips and can connect with the 5G technology. So I would say that we will see that there have more and more business cases will come out, and the development for IoT, because of the business value carrying out, will actually rapidly developing in the near future. For IoT in the smart cities, IoT is an essential part of the smart city because you need to be connected to gather the data for across the cities. And I think first for Hong Kong is a really perfect place for smart city because imagine it's a very condensed cities that if you have the sensor actually in place. It's simply a mathematical problems that one sensor could serve more, many people. That could actually create more use cases compared to less dense cities. So I would say for the IoT development, there's a very importance, of course, to the smart city in Hong Kong, and also Hong Kong is having a very good positions to actually accelerate the smart city development. So today, the IoT conference, I think, is very good opportunities for people who are in the field and for people who are interested in this technology together. So IoT is all about connectivities, connected data or connected world. So human is one of the things that actually we need to connect together. So for talking about the conference, it will definitely provide a positive movement for the ecosystem. And I know that there's more conference actually coming out from GSI in the near futures. And I would say that this will be actually a very good event and series and to help the whole development.